In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Universe future while examining atom cost estimate for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Universe. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the particle value forecast and answer questions in the event that Universe is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will Universe succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Universe value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Universe and its to-date history. Universe markets itself as a decentralized organization of free equal blockchains, which are fueled by Byzantine-issue lenient agreement calculations like tendermint. Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure is an element of one blockchain's agreement calculation, which makes it ready to accomplish agreement in a decentralized climate that might actually contain malevolent agreement-confirming hubs in it. These blockchains are equipped for interoperating with one another through the Universe organization, the alleged web of blockchains, likewise alluded to as Universe Center Point. It is the first blockchain sent off inside the Universe organization, and its principal undertaking will be to interlink other blockchains in the biological system. Tokens can be moved starting with one zone then onto the next safely and rapidly with the assistance of Universe Center Point. Universe organization will be based on top of three key parts. 1. Tendermint Center interfaces the system's administration and the agreement layer of the convention under a product execution known as Tendermint Center. Contains the Tendermint BFT agreement calculation and the IBC convention for center point zone correspondence. 2. Application Blockchain Connection Point BFT replication of dApps in various programming dialects. ABCI is language freethinker and empowers engineers to assemble the application piece of their blockchain in any language. Is the associating connection point between Tendermint Center and Universe SDK. 3. Cosmos SDK advancement asset, otherwise called base coin. The basic role of the SDK is to lessen the intricacies in building the ABCI for normal blockchain usefulness and permitting engineers to zero in on adaptable applications inside a normalized system. Engineers can take this fundamental edge that has underlying tokens, administration, marking, every one of the essential elements expected of a blockchain, and afterward add wanted functionalities through modules. Fundamentally, the application layer of Universe organization. Tendermint Center is liable for the agreement on the Universe Center. Blockchains that are associated with the center point keep up with their own agreement sway, without changing to Tendermint. Designers can construct their own blockchains and applications with the assistance of Universe SDK and run them on top of the Tendermint Center, just agonizing over the application layer. ABCI utilizes an attachment convention to empower the agreement motor to oversee application state running in another agreement cycle, making Universe ready to help a wide assortment of digital currencies and prearranging dialects like those found in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Zero Cash, CryptoNote, and that's just the beginning. About the Tendermint calculation. Tendermint, the basic calculation of Universe, is the principal transformation of proof-of-stake agreement got from the reasonable Byzantine shortcoming open-minded calculation presented by Castro and Liskov in 1999. Following a 30 extended research period, EFT-based POS conventions pseudo-haphazardly dole out a validator the option to propose new blocks during a multi-round casting a ballot interaction. Be that as it may, committing and settling blocks relies upon a supermajority. For this situation, 66% of the majority of all validators approving the proposed block. This might take a few adjusts, or polkas, before blocks become concluded. EFT frameworks can endure up to a third of disappointments, where disappointments can incorporate erratic or vindictive way of behaving. Universe's verification of stake calculation is a designated one, implying that it is coordinated in such a way where stakers are parted into two gatherings. Validators and delegators. Delegators have the errand of choosing which validators will get to take a section in the agreement. Validators are there to be a piece of the agreement, approve exchanges, and add new blocks to the chain. The prizes these stakers gain are for the most part procured in the Atom token, however, in future may likewise be acquired in wrapped types of elective digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. On the off chance that one of the hubs in this framework begins working in a vindictive way, it gets cut from the organization and its tokens are removed. Universe value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increment. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and crucial evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2022-10-14 plus 2.48% $132520221015 plus 1.69% $131520221016 2.13% $126620221017 plus 5.73% $136720221018 1.10% $127920221019 plus 0.14% $12.95 2022-10-20 plus 1.21% $130920221021 plus 2.62% $13.27 universe value forecast 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the principal quarter of 2022 preceding. We see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 NOV 20.42% $10.29 2022 DEC 30.73% $8.96 2023 Jan 17.50% $10.67 2023 Feb 15.74% $10.90 2023 Blemish 7.79% $11.93 2023 APRA plus 8.13% $13.98 2023 May plus 16.77% $15.10 2023 June plus 13.42% $14.67 2023 Jul plus 29.53% $16.75 2023 All plus 37.03% $17.72 2023 Set plus 44.99% $18.75 2023 Op plus 51.50% $19.59 a TOM value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees Atom coming to $33.30 in 2025. What will Atom be worth in 5 years? The cost of Atom in 5 years could lie around